video I did, it didn't save, so yeah, it was deleted, so that's why I'm reading in the chat. So basically what I was saying in the other one is that I'm gonna, yeah. So with the skibbity, right. So sorry for my cough, because like I'm kind of sick and my cough is like a little bad. Like, here, I'll like cough for you. Hang on, let me get away from everyone. What is that? Yeah. What is that thing? Okay, you guys, I'm back. My voice. See, so now now you know why my cough is like a little. Yeah. Cough. What? I don't know if you guys heard that, but my dad just walked in. My dad just walked in and told me to be quiet. Bro, that was hilarious. So guys, I bet Kim's gonna ask me, why I'm making these weird sounds and how I'm doing it. Like, no questions. Is that crab's name Miss McZesty, bro? I don't want your order. Oh no, guys, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I don't want to die today. I'm too young. No! This video might be a little bit shorter, because I have important things tomorrow, so like, I'm gonna be performing a play and stuff, so like, I need sleep. Oh my god! What is next? What is that? Okay, the surface. What the skibbity toilet are? Yeah. So this shorty really thinks she's intimidating. See, she's so short. She's a shorty. She thinks she's intimidating. I'm gonna end the video now. So, can I give off a quick wave? Yeah, I'm gonna like. Bye, guys.